Ambassador Basuti Mukherjee is on the telecast with me. Ambassador Mukherjee, is this a sudden rise that we see in the spate of racial attacks that Indians are witnessing, or is it that they are being reported more now than they were previously?
We have been the victim of racism, Megha, during 188 years of brutal British colonial rule. That kind of racism, let's not forget Jallianwala Bagh, let's not forget all those incidents which were perpetrated on us. But once we became an independent state, we were considered to be a very poor developing country. We were very poor because we had been colonized. But the moment India started rising, India started doing well globally, India had a strong government and governance, attacks on Indians seemingly increased in these developed countries. I am particularly surprised at the racist attack, Megha, in Ireland, because the Irish have been victims of British imperialism, colonialism, the potato famine, etc. India had been even under colonial rule, very sympathetic to the Irish. So I am absolutely amazed that in Ireland, the Irish could turn on one of their own, as they used to say, because that is how close we are to the Irish. So it's very unfortunate, and he was very badly beaten up. In Australia, the man was beaten, Megha, with knuckle dusters, brutally and without any mercy until he fainted. And of course, the totally disgusting incident of somebody bringing in chicken into an ISKCON restaurant also demonstrates Hindu phobia, phobia against Indians, jealousy, the inability to understand and appreciate how well Indians do when they go abroad. Look at the United States of America as an example. Look at London for that matter, where the only decent cuisine available in London is Indian cuisine, because the Brits have no cuisine. Fortunately, when they came here, we taught them a little bit of Indian cooking. That's how they took a little bit back with them when they went back in 47. So this is also linked to India's rise. But at the same time, we as a nation must reflect, Megha, that do we really need to go to Gora land anymore? Do we really need to live with such people, such racists who hate us not just because of the color of the skin, but because we earn much more than them? We have very comfortable lifestyle back home in India. We speak English better than them, most of us, you know. So do we really need, we must educate the younger generation, our children, to appreciate what India offers and to make them understand that it's no longer the same as it was in 1955, when Indians may have gone and settled abroad, that we have the same or better available in India. So let's stay in India, and to quote dear Donald Trump, let's make India great. If America wants America great, let's all focus on making India great. Megha.
I also have with me Lord Rami Ranger. Lord Ranger.